here I made a friend. You see that? I made a friend. I'm sitting out in the sun. I can hardly see. He was landing on my hands too. And I was thinking maybe it's the coconut oil. Come on. What are you doing? But it's not, because I put some on my hands and it's not the coconut oil. So pretty. See you here every day and finally you come say hi to me. I've been inviting you to land on me forever. Yeah, sitting on this hand now. It's so beautiful. I wonder what it is. You like salt? Or you're just like me because I invited you. I did invite you. I invited you for the longest time and finally you come say hi. Or are you the one that I saved out of Sammy's mouth? You tickling. Tickling. Tickle, tickle, tickle. You're giving me healing. Thank you, honey. Here I am sitting outside in the sunshine listening to a video from Crispy Cancer, which I will post. And I have this beautiful carpenter bee, I think it is, visiting me. I thought the males had a white head, but I don't see any white on this one, so who knows. It's the wrong angle for me to turn. Oh, maybe I can do it this way. There we go. So gorgeous. Hi, beautiful. So maybe I'm not even sweating. Do I smell good? I don't know what I can feed you other than my essence. And what you're giving me is so good. It's really beautiful. Yeah, it's really beautiful. The other finger has some coconut oil on it, so but no, he's going for the dry one. Wow, this is really amazing. Sammy chases him. Because they play with Sammy, and sometimes Sammy catches them and kills them, unfortunately. Ooh. There's another one buzzing around right there. I can't see him in my camera, but I know there he is. And this one's still just hanging out. What is it, baby? Got some pollen on the back legs there. Very sweet. Maybe I should name you Honey. No, because you're not a honeybee. Well, Jesus was a carpenter. Shall I call you Jesus? You're definitely spirit visiting me. This is the first time ever in my life I have a bee landing on me, checking me out like this. I mean, this boy would not leave me alone while I'm sitting out here. Of course, I did invite him. And I guess he now knows it's safe. I'm safe. I will never harm him, or any other animal for that matter. Is this a long visit, young man? If you're even a young man, I don't see a stinger. So you have to, I think you're a male. You're sniffing me out, something fierce. It's so cute. I have an itch on my nose. There we go. It's amazing. Well, I'll just keep videotaping until my video memory runs out, which I'm surprised it hasn't already, because this phone is not the best. There you go, walking all around. Are you taking up residence? What are you doing? Sure, make yourself comfortable, honey. Well, you want to come too? Come on. There's room enough for 2 or 5 or however many. What in the world are you doing? Gosh, it's ever so light touch. It feels good. You can barely see my phone screen, so I don't know what y'all can see. It'll be fun to look at it later. Oh, we're going over here now. Well, that's, oh, that was the coconut oil. You're not done. You're gonna go land on my feet now? My legs? Sure looks like it, huh? Not on my breast. Just where I draw the line. Thank you.